Hello everyone, welcome to the World Educators Community YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you a presentation on MIE Expert Nomination Process 2023-2024 for new educators, presented by myself, Abdul Salam, MIE Expert and Master Trainer. Okay, let's start with me. Okay, just open the browser, Google, then search here Event Core Microsoft. Event Core Microsoft. Okay, then you will find Microsoft Innovative Educator Expert. Click here. This program is only for educators, teachers around the world. If you are new educators, you can nominate yourself as an MIE expert. The nomination windows are open. How to join this program? Before to join this program, you can prepare yourself. If you are ready to apply, then you can nominate yourself. Okay. Prepare yourself. If you click the prepare yourself, you will find three important courses here. I will show you the three important courses. Okay, then you will enter the education programs. This is the MS Word file. You can read out this carefully. There are three part: about you, score question and long question. Okay, you should complete this form. You can print out it and then you can fill up this form. It will be better for you before to apply this nomination. Okay, then I'll go back. If you are ready, you can click nominate yourself. You will enter the Microsoft Education Programs window. Looks there are also register now or sign in. Just click here. Then you can sign in with your Microsoft account. With your Microsoft account. Okay, I have just sign in with a Microsoft account with my colleagues. So I will show you here. You can add a new self nomination. If you are new educators, you can add new self nomination. Okay, I want to. Then you will find a personal information. You can add your personal information here. Your name, first name, last name, your email address, your professional email address, your home address, your school information. You can add your school organization website. If you have no website in your school, you can add your school Facebook page link. Okay, your title and your current role at school, then click save and submit. Then you will find two options, MIE Expert or Showcase School Incubator. Click MIE Expert. When you click the MIE Expert, then you will find this site, self nomination, progress. Just you will enter this self nomination progress. At first, if you fill up your contact information, then you will enter this site, self nomination. There are many questions. If is your school a Showcase School, incubator or neither, you can click neither. What is the name of your school? You can type your school name. I have typed the short name of my school. You can type the full name of your school. What age range do you teach? I teach basically 9, 12. Okay, this age I teach. What subject do you teach? Mathematics, science, and design and technology. I teach. You can teach. If you teach more subject, you can pick the more subject also. Do your students, learners have access to internet? Yes. My students have the access to use the internet. Do your students, learners have access to internet at home? Yes, some of them do. Some of them do. What technology do your students, learners primarily use for learning? Mobile phone and laptop basically they use. Okay. Share the URL of your social handle. You can share your social handle. I have a social handle. I will just pick my profile and find a social handle here. This is the social handle. You can copy and paste here. Okay, it's simple. Okay, you can add your Facebook social handle also. Just copy and paste your Facebook social handle link. You can add your Instagram link, hidden TikTok, YouTube channel. I can add my YouTube channel link here. This is the link of my YouTube channel. I can add the YouTube channel link. Okay, then you can add your blog links and others link. You can add other, you can add your teachers portal link, others activities, workload profile, Kahoot profile, others profile link. You can add also here. How many followers do you have on Twitter? I have the followers about 494, 494. A little. It's okay. What tools device do you use regularly? I teach Google Apps. I use also Google Apps, Windows device, Office 365, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom. What tools device does your school organization use? Google's, Windows, Office 365, Teams, and Zoom. With what other edutech communities are you connected? I am connected with Adobe Creative Educator, Click Ambassador, Kahoot Ambassador, Minecraft Mentor, Minecraft Global Mentor, Click Ambassador. I am also working others site also. Have you completed the Microsoft Educator Academy Learning Path course from the Microsoft Learn profile? Yes, I have completed. Have you completed? Have you completed the Master Microsoft Team for any learning environment learning path on Microsoft Learn? Yes, I have also completed. I have you completed the 21st century learning design? Yes, I have also completed. Share the URL of your assignment in Learn here. Okay, I have completed this 3 course from Microsoft Learn. Okay, this is my Microsoft Learn profile. Microsoft Learn, learn.microsoft.com. This site. I have signed in here. This is my account, my badge and trophies. I have completed Microsoft Educator Academy. Look, the first one, Microsoft Educator Academy, I have completed. The second one, Master Microsoft Teams for any learning environment. The second one is Master Microsoft Teams for any learning environment. The last one, 21st century learning design. 21st century learning design. All of the course I have completed 2021-22. So at first you should complete this 3 course before to apply for MIE Expert. Okay. Then you can share your assignment link here. Okay. Then when you log in your account, you will go to your assignment. Okay, I will sign in my account. Just okay, I have signed in my Microsoft Learn profile. Then this is my profile. I scroll down. Training, challenge, certification, question, answer, assignment. Click the assignment. Just wait. Okay, when you click assignment, you will find your learning path, modules, course, and more. Then go to the search bar. You just copy the link, search bar, copy the link, and go to the nomination profile and share the URL of your assignment in Learn here. Just paste here. Okay. How often do you use the following M365 tools? How often do you use Microsoft Teams environment? I use it daily. How often do you use Microsoft Form? It's weekly. How often do you use OneNote? It's monthly. How often do you use OneNote staff notebook for professional organization? It's also monthly. How often do you use OneNote class notebook with learners? It's rarely. How often do you use Flip with learners? It's monthly. How often do you use Minecraft? It's rarely. I use Minecraft rarely. How often do you share your teaching learning knowledge with your colleagues is absolutely daily. How does reading course support you for students? I have picked the first three one. You can pick the first three one also. How often do you and your learner use these features in the Microsoft Edge browser? Basically, all of them without the last one. Okay. Accessibility checker in tools like PowerPoint, Word, Excel, or Note should be used to verify your file against a set of rules that identify possible issue for people who have a variety of disabilities. You can check this one. In a hybrid classroom, team is used for first one and last three one. What Microsoft tools allow you to use Microsoft Reflect with your staff students? The first three one and last one. I have picked. You can pick both of, all of them. When you create a quiz or a poll in Microsoft Form, what question types do you have available? Uh, you can check this one. Wait, just wait. Okay, when you create a quiz or a poll in Microsoft Form, what question type do you have available? I have checked all the reply are available in Microsoft Form. Let's check here. You just open the form and add new. Then you will find choice, text, rating, date, like art, new promoter score, and section ranking. All of them are available. So all of them are available. When using OneNote, student can create their own practice math assessment with form that will show them if they got the correct answer true. What types of teams are available with Microsoft Teams? You can also check this one. Look, just wait. When you what type of teams are available? You can click here, class team. Then you will find professional learning community (PLC), staff, other others team. Okay, there are four teams are available in Microsoft Teams. What is the correct order? This is very important for uh, new educators to arrange this on correct order. The last year it was 10 question. This year it is a last year it was 8 question. This year it's a 10 question. So at first I will pick the breakout room first one. I launch the Microsoft Team desktop apps. Then I will pick select calendar new meeting. The third one I think it will be create breakout room before or during the meeting. Number 4, once you are in the meeting, live meeting, start breakout room. Number 4, number 5, choose how many room you would like to create. Number 6, choose automatically or manually. Number 7, rename room, optional. Number 8, if you select manually, assign participant to room. Number 9, select a time limit for the breakout session, and number 10, select create room. This is the correct order that I have arranged it. You can check your own style. If you have any doubt, you can check your own style. Okay. Then there are the long answer question. You should complete this the question with 500 to 2000 character, not word, character. Just answer here. Describe how you leverage Microsoft tools to increase accessibility for all learners in your classroom. Just type your answer here. I have already noted my answer. Okay, this one. I have the question on and the answer on. Just I will copy the answer and paste here. Paste here. The question 2. Tell us about a series of lessons, a unit or a project you did with learners that incorporate Microsoft technology for improved learning outcomes. What 21st century learning design skills were included in the learning and explain in detail how those skills are developed. Question 2. Question 2. Okay, the answer I already prepared. You can check this answer and remember that never copy the answer. You can just follow the guideline and make the answer with your own style. You should remember that never copy, just understand and make it easier on with your own style. I will just copy and paste. Just copy paste. Okay. Question 3. Provide a link or an example of the learning artifact. What is artifact? You can make a link, you can create a link with your activities that you have completed by using the Microsoft tools. You have organized a training as a trainer, as a host. If you have presentation in your classroom, you can share it also. You can share your PowerPoint presentation with also, no problem. I will share the question 3, the answer I have already done. I will share the link. Just this is the Microsoft Sway link. I want to show you. Just wait. Okay, I will paste here the link, Sway link. You can check. It's a simple work. I just a demo. I have just make learning system in COVID-19 situation, Bangladeshi cuisine with Indian school. Participated country India. I have organized the session, the Bangladeshi cuisine. I have shared with Indian schools, and they also shared the food with my students. Okay, this was a Skype session. Simple work. Okay, describe what are the artifact is to which you shared a link, how it demonstrated the desired learning objective, and how Microsoft tools were a critical part of the learning. Question 4. Question 4. I have also prepared the answer. You can just follow the guideline. Don't copy the answer. Okay. Share two examples of how you have supported both your own learning and the learning and growth of your colleagues. Describe the activities that you completed and led and how it resulted in better teaching and learning. Question 5. Question 5. The answer. Okay. Okay, just paste here. By using this website to submit a nomination to be on of the following program, you agree to Microsoft Education Program communication directly with you via email with program updates. You can save and submit. If you want to check this one again, just click save progress. Okay. Then you can, if your information are ready, then click save and submit. Save and submit. Okay. So thank you so much. Thank you to stay with